Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove a SIM card on the Samsung Galaxy A13. So the first thing that you want to do is to remove the SIM card is to use a SIM pin and insert it into the SIM tray, which is located on the left hand side of the device. I'm going to turn it over and push in the SIM pin. That will allow the SIM tray to be ejected, and then you can pull it out just like that and pull out, and this will allow you to remove the SIM card. To insert the SIM card, you do pretty much the same thing. You just need to eject the SIM tray with a SIM pin, and then you pull it out. Now you put in the SIM card, have the SIM card facing up that way. So have it face down, not up, have it face down, and then you insert it into the SIM tray into the SIM slot on the left hand side. Just be gentle. Now with this particular device, it does support dual SIM card, but depending on the region that you are in some region it is blocked out and it only allows you to input in one SIM card. So depending on the region that you are in some region you will be able to use dual SIM card. And that's it. Now we have inserted the SIM card. You just need to, if you have a brand new SIM card, you will need to first activate the SIM card before you can use it. Otherwise, if your SIM card is already activated, you can see it will show your mobile data as well as your phone signal. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.